Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Target. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in target.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Target website. Now click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then click on sign in once again. And now you will be asked to enter your credentials. Click on the forgot password button underneath the sign in options and you will be asked to enter your email address or your phone number. Type in the email address that you have used while creating your account and then click on the continue button. You will then be asked whether you would like to reset your password or sign in with a temporary code. Choose the first option if you wish to set up a new password. Then click on send code and now you will be asked to check your inbox. So just check in the inbox of your original email address and you will find the password reset code that is sent by Target. Simply enter this code within the given box and then click on verify, and now you will be allowed to create a new password for your account. Type in your desired new password and then click on create password, and now you will be logged into your account and your password will successfully be reset. You will now be able to use your newly set password along with your original email address in order to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your Target account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.